Hey Jeremy, it's mega windy today. Yeah, girls. Daylight. Look at that, the coop door's closed. Man, we're just having lots of wind. Look at this. It is windy. Alright. No one's in the coop? No. Alright, everyone's outside. Oh, they're all in here. Hey, girls. Midnight, you're not supposed to be in there. Hey, Pearl. Daylight, yeah, you sheltering from the windstorm? It's probably at least 30 miles an hour in short bursts. Hey, Lemon. Your feathers are all ruffled up. Hey, Jeremy. Fortunately, you're gonna leave in 3 days. Yeah, I know. It's sad. You understand. I know you do. The way he looks. Yeah, I know. Don't worry, they'll visit you and I'll visit you too. And the Cam fam will as well. Lemon. Yeah, little tail wag. Yeah, boy. Hey, Strawberry. Are you stuck, girl? Here. She's stuck again. She always gets stuck in this corner. Come on. Here. It's okay. There you go. There she goes. Lemon, Jeremy. Alright, everyone's accounted for. Hey, Poppy. Poppy. Lily. How you guys doing? I don't have any treats for you today. I'm sorry. I'll give you some of Jeremy's DIY treat, though, when I make it. It looks like it's going to be the top winning suggestion. Or choice. Hey, girls. Pets, little pets. Oh, little pets. Alright, you girls have a good day.